Absolute Dental Lab provides industry-leading technology-driven dental services to help you achieve your smile goals.
Absolute Dental Services started in the Triangle of North Carolina in the early 90s. We've been known for our crown and bridge restorations for many, many years. Over the last couple of decades, we've become more involved with dental implant restorations, digital night cards processed with artificial intelligence, digital diagnostic design, guided surgery solutions, and also digital dentures. And all of this combined as a package has made us much more efficient at what we do, and we can restore smiles with so much more predictability. Through the use of these technologies, we're offering better, longer lasting, and more natural looking smiles to our patients. For us, perfection truly is not optional.
As soon as I pulled into the parking lot and I saw the name Absolute Dental Services, I got excited. I remember Dre saying that they were going to give me a smile that would be as good as it was before. And eventually, I got my brand new smile. I love my smile. And it's amazing just what this one single act has done to me. It has boosted my confidence. I am able to smile, I'm able to speak without worrying that people are judging me or they are getting glued to my smile. But instead, they can focus on what I'm saying. It has changed my perspective. I want to go out and I want to help people discover their purpose and reach their potential. That is my way of giving back.
I think the future is extremely bright, especially for our industry. And if the future is bright for our industry, the future is really bright for patients. We're helping patients achieve their wonderful smiles. We're helping them restore their function, restore their lives. And all of this is done so predictably. There's no more guessing of what you're going to look like when you go through these treatments. And that's something very exciting. What technology has given us is the ability to not just restore a smile, but restore a life.
If you are a patient who has always dreamed of that beautiful smile, contact Absolute Dental Services today to learn more about how they can help to restore your smile and your confidence.